Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In a previous lesson, we discussed about Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam. Actually, I have a good news for you. Today is going to be the last lesson of the alphabet, and inshallah, we're going to start with rules next lesson. But today we're going to have 5 letters, not 4 letters as usually, but 5 last letters. I'm going to click Fa, Qaf, Kaf. These are the letters that we already discussed. And inshallah today we're going to discuss 5th last letters, and they are going to be Mim, Noon, Waw, He, Ye. These are 5 last letters of the alphabet, and inshallah next lesson we are going to discuss about the pronunciation of the letters and then the rules. Mim is like this. Mim at the beginning of a word, Mim at the middle of a word, and Mim at the end of a word. Noon, actually Noon and Yeah, when they are at the beginning and at the middle of the word, they have absolutely the same form as Ba, Ta, Tha, but the only difference is at the dots. Noon, just one dot at the middle of the letter. At the beginning, Noon is like this. Noon at the middle is like this, connected to both sides. And Noon at the end is going to be a closed letter. Waw is from unconnected letters. Last letter from unconnected letters. Waw is from unconnected letters, which means that waw is going to have 2 forms like alif, dal, dal, ra, za. I'm going to write them here. Alif, dal, dal, ra, za, and waw is the last letter from unconnected letters. Waw at the beginning of a word has the same form as it is when the waw is alone. Waw at the middle is going to be connected in one side as other letters, and waw at the end of a word is going to have the same form as it has when it is at the middle of a word, because it is from unconnected letters. Now we have letter He. This is letter He. He at the beginning of a word, it's going to be like this. Here, when it's alone, we can write it like this. He when it is at the beginning. When it is at the middle, it is like this. And when it is at the end of a word, it's going to have 2 forms. This usually, but when in front of He is one of them connected letters, it's going to have this form. And Yeah, this is the last letter of the alphabet, letter Yeah. This is letter Yeah. As I said, Yeah has the same form as Ba, Ta, Tha, Noon, and Yeah. The only difference is at the dot. It has 2 dots there. Yeah at the middle, and Yeah at the end is going to have this form. These are 5 last letters of the alphabet. I hope from the letter Alif, which was the first letter of the alphabet, till Yeah, which is the last letter of the alphabet, I hope they were easy for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you next lesson.